Hi everyone, Laura here, and today we're going to learn the cycle. If you know it already, we're going to practice the cycle. This is a foundational practice that's part of the Alexander technique. It allows you to remember your normal, natural easiness. We can lose track of this in the busyness of our days. So the basic directions for the cycle is that you start on your left hand and you hold the thumb with your other hand, which should be your right hand, and you'll move from one finger to the next. On each digit, I will count to 4. On each number, you're going to gently scan your body, either from the feet up or from the head to your toes, asking, I wonder where I notice a little bit of ease. And the easing is just very gentle, just like that, just like. Then we'll move to the other hand. On each number, it's really nice if you say say where your body whispers to you. It feels some ease. If it's your fingers, if it's your throat, but wherever it is, it's kind of a little discovery journey on 10 fingers. So here we go. Gently touch your left thumb with your right hand and say out loud where your body tells you it notices a little bit of easiness. 1, shoulders. 2, thighs. 3, back of neck. 4, breath. Move to the index finger. 1, lower arms. 2, right toe. 3, elbows. 4, back of neck. Middle finger. 1, breath. 2, ears. 3, wrists. 4, thighs. 4th finger. 1, shoulders. 2, breath. 3, upper left arm. 4, neck. Little finger. 1, elbows. 2, breath. 3, back of head. 4, left arm. You're going to switch hands. Take your thumb of your right hand in your left hand. 1, breath. 2, neck. 3, lower back. 4, breath. Index finger. 1, top of feet. 2, fingers. 3, breath. 4, neck. Middle finger. 1, shoulders. 2, upper arms. 3, back of hips. 4, wrists. 4th finger. Breath is 1, 2, wrists. 3, breath. 4, back. Little finger. 1, top of head. 2, breath. 3, sides of ribs. 4, elbows. And so that's the cycle. It gives you a small pause in your day to reconnect with your natural easiness. And then from this place of easiness, most everyone can access better thinking, If you're in a conversation, you are able to think of the right words to say to the person you're speaking to. If you're doing an activity, your body you've removed the excess tension that gets in the way from skillful performance. So thank you very much for practicing the cycle with me, and stop over to my Dancing with Ease Body Brain Balance webpage. That's it. Just type in dancingwithease.com. It should come up for you. And I also have a Dancing with Ease Facebook page where I sometimes post videos and blogs and good ideas. I'd love to hear about your experiences doing the cycle. Again, this is Laura Donnelly from Dancing with Ease. Take care. Bye.